Hello dear students. So we are doing chapter 3 economics, money and credit. We are talking about the loan activities of bank. In the last video we discussed about two examples of Salim and Swapna. Salim was the person who has to manufacture 3000 pair of shoes, and he has done that very successfully. He had taken some loan from the market. It was the festive season, but he has performed all his loan related activities in a very proper manner. This is what we had seen. From the while he has to manufacture 3000 pieces of shoes for the festive season. He had taken certain money from the market, and he very successfully had returned that money. This shows and this proves that his plannings were very proper. काफी अच्छे से सोच के उन्होंने ये काम किया था. तो रूरल एरियाज में द मेजर प्रॉब्लम, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड व्हेन वी हैड सीन एंड व्हेन वी कंपेयर द सिचुएशन ऑफ स्वप्ना, we find that Swapna's situation was not very good. She is into agriculture, and especially in the rural areas, the farmers who are there are not very educated. So the loan activities that these farmers are involved in, or the farmers take the money from the market, they are unable to pay it back. In the agricultural situation, what happens that the loan activities that are there, the people tend to take the loan, they have to carry on with their agricultural business, but then they are unable to pay it back when agricultural things doesn't happen properly. Agriculture may the crop failure happens, and everything is dependent on the weather conditions, and that is what has happened. It was something that was very natural which has affected Swapna's condition. Just see क्या हुआ था स्वप्ना के साथ. स्वप्ना has used expensive pesticides, लेकिन फिर भी the groundnut that she has grown, जो मूंगफली की खेती की थी, उसमें कीड़े लग गए. Got it, children? So the arrangements that she had made did not had that much of impact. So this was a terrible condition where Swapna could not meet the requirements properly, and she could not look after the agricultural produce properly, and Swapna has to take a fresh loan for cultivation. So because स्वप्ना की गलती नहीं थी, it was not her mistake, it was that the pest that was there and the crop fails. So how is Swapna responsible for that? Though she has used expensive pesticide, she has used a proper pesticide, but still she could not make it properly. She could not meet the demands of the market, and she could not repay the loan that she has taken from the local money lender. She did not go to the market. That is also one of the major problems. So she is caught in debt. कर्जा चढ़ जाता है इसके ऊपर. You just see it is mentioned here. She is caught in debt, and this kind of a situation is called as debt trap. What is it called at children? It is called as debt trap. तो कर्जे के चक्कर में ये जो फंस गई, इससे निकल पाना इसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. It was really tough for Swapna to come out of this situation. Now what we are discussing here is, children, that Swapna is not the only one. This kind of a situation prevails in most of the rural areas. जहाँ जहाँ गांव है वहाँ पे इस तरह की situation रहती ही है. In rural areas में main demand for credit is the crop production, And crop production में a lot of things are involved, like cost on seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, water, electricity, repair of equipment, etc. A lot of things are there where the situations needs to be improved, the situation needs to be controlled. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों में पैसे की इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है in the rural areas, and all these things the farmers have to procure, they have to arrange on their own. There is minimum stretch of 3 to 4 months between the time when farmers buy these inputs and when they sell the crops. They are buying the produce, they are selling the crops. Farmers take the crop loans at the beginning of the season. Crops के लिए they have to take the loans. Without loans they cannot manage. That's a common feature in the village areas. And they repay the loan after the harvest. So repayment of loan is crucially dependent on income from farming. जो भी खेती वो कर रहे हैं, whatever farming business they are doing, their repayment loan वो कैसे repay करेंगे? They are repaying the loan on the income that is coming from the farming only. Now what happens? स्वप्ना के केस में क्या हुआ? What has happened in the case of Swapna? Failure of crop. Loan payment, she could not do the loan payment and it was impossible. So she had to sell the part of the loan land to repay the loan. She has to, there was no other way out. Got it? So 3 acres of land she had, उसमें से she had to sell some land just to repay the loan. So you can understand what a critical situation she might be facing and what a critical condition she might be going through. So credit instead of, what happens is that Swapna improves her earnings. Credit instead of helping Swapna improves her earnings, left her worse off. वो उसने जो कर्जा लिया, स्वप्ना को उससे मदद नहीं मिली, ठीक है, did not improve her earnings, उसकी हालत और खराब ही हो गई. It left her worse off. So this kind of a situation where Swapna is, just now that I was discussing, this kind of a situation is called as debt trap. कर्जे के जंजाल में वो फंस गई. She got into the debt trap. Okay? And credit mein what happens? In this case, it pushes the borrower into a situation from which, अब वो ऐसी एक condition में आ गई, Swapna is trapped into such a condition from where she couldn't come out. Recovery is very painful. In Salim's case, the situation was different. Salim के केस में उसको बहुत फायदा हुआ. The loan that he has taken, it has really helped him a lot. लेकिन in this case, Swapna के केस में it has pushed her, the borrower, into a situation from which abhi he could not recover from there. She could not recover from there. So please remember the terminology. Please remember the situation of debt trap. Whenever you talk about debt trap, you have to mention the example of Swapna. Please remember that, children. So एक situation में, in one situation, credit, I mean the money, that loan that Salim has taken, it has helped him. It has increased the earnings and therefore the person is better off than before. Uski situation, Salim's situation has improved. The money that he has taken, it helped him in fulfilling all the demands. 3,000 pair of shoes he has got an order. He fulfilled the order on time and he got a good help from there. And another situation mein what happened, crop failure was there. Credit pushes the person into a debt trap. एक जगह तो सलीम को फायदा हुआ है and on the other side Swapna has fell into a debt trap. Now what happens? She has to repay the loan. शी हैज टू सेल अ पोर्शन ऑफ हर लैंड एंड पहले से खराब हालत हो गई उसकी. शी इज clearly much worse off than before. पहले जो whatever condition she was facing previously, now she is into a much worse situation. तो credit would be useful or not. Therefore, every time taking a loan and every time the credit that is there, it cannot be useful or not. Therefore, it is depending on the risk in the situation and the situation that Swapna has fell in. जिस हालत में वो पड़ गई, Swapna situation that was there, credit was not useful here. It depends on the risk in the situation. She has taken the risk of taking the loan from the market. She has taken the money from the market and support उसको मिला नहीं, and then as a result she has to face a big loss. तो ये पूरी situation, after going through the complete situation, one activity is here children which you need to do it. आपको ये समझना है, आपको ये करना है. How you will be doing it? Why did they need the credit? So पहले तो आप देख लो यहाँ पे all the situations are mentioned here. As per the situation the questions are given here. आपको ये सारे questions जो हैं बेटा ये solve करने हैं. Salim and Swapna situation. Why did they need credit? First you need to understand कि credit situation क्यों है and what was the risk in this situation. Salim has taken for fulfilling he has to make 3,000 pair of shoes. Swapna has taken it for the agriculture. What was the risk? Suppose 3,000 pair of shoes time पे if he wouldn't have delivered, तो हो सकता है कि सलीम को जो है payment time पे नहीं मिलती, but as he was able to fulfill the demands and fulfill the requirement on time, he was able to come out of this situation. Swapna के केस में क्या हुआ? There was crop failure and crop failure has led Swapna to such a bad condition. Outcome क्या हुआ? Salim did not fell into the debt trap and Swapna fell into the debt trap. So this is there. Now suppose Salim continues to get orders. अभी सलीम को orders मिल रहा है from the traders. What would happen after 6 years? Salim is fulfilling all the requirements. Salim is he is completing all the demands on time. तो his position would be after 6 years वो कहाँ पे रहेगा? What would be his situation after 6 years? This we need to understand. After 6 years, if he is continuously fulfilling all the requirements, he will be getting profit every time. Whatever is his manufacturing, उसमें profit margin would be high. और उसका business जो है 6 years down the lane, I think his business would increase. Of course. And Swapna's situation has become so risky. So pesticides is there, role of money lenders, climate, सारी चीजें आपको इसमें बतानी पड़ेगी. In the Swapna situation, it is not only her mistake. Try to understand this thing. If pesticide का problem नहीं होता, money lender का problem नहीं होता, because money lender has been forcing her ना कि पैसे पे करो, अभी तक पैसा नहीं दिया, अभी तक पैसा नहीं दिया, और these things he has been pestering her. तो her situation wouldn't have been so bad. And climate situations were there. Climate मौसम का भी हालत जो है थोड़ा सा सही नहीं रहा. तो all the conditions in together was not favorable for Swapna. So you can see how she has fell into the debt trap. Debt trap is a situation which is very common with the money matters for the loan activities. Debt trap में खाली ऐसा नहीं है कि गांव के लोग ही फंसते हैं. Many a times it happens that the people from the city also get into the debt trap. डेट ट्रैप में you don't get entangled when you are taking credit or taking loan from a formal source. ट्रैप आप फंस कब जाते हो? when you are taking a loan from an informal source. Got it? That is there. So these are some of the situations, these activities are there that you need to complete it, children. Please try to do it. And now we will be discussing about the terms of credit. So children, terms of credit we need to understand means the people who are taking the loan or the people who are availing the loan, there is certain terms and conditions. ऐसे कोई भी आपको निकाल के पैसे नहीं दे देगा ना. Nobody will take out money and just give you just because you need it. Everybody needs money, but that doesn't mean the loan will be granted without any terms and conditions. So सबसे पहले the most important thing for the loan thing is that you need to have an interest rate. Got it, children? The interest rate is always specified by the bank or the money lender. जो भी आपको money देगा, they will definitely tell you the first thing, that is the interest that they would be collecting from you, the interest that they would be procuring from you. Okay, so the first term of credit, terms हिंदी में समझाती हूँ, शर्तें. Every loan agreement gives an interest rate. So the borrower has to pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. So I have taken a 10,000 rupees as loan. वो तो वापस करना ही है. That needs to be returned. But along with that, a proper interest rate, suppose I have taken a loan on a 10% interest. Every bank has got its specific rate of interest. Every bank, it doesn't differ because the interest rate is specified by the Reserve Bank of India. But it is 0.1% ऊपर नीचे आपको banks में interest rate होगा. But interest has to be paid. That is for sure. Then the lenders who are there, they demand at times what happens, they demand collateral. Collateral. They want collateral, security against the loans. Whatever loans are being sanctioned, so the company which is sanctioning or the bank which is giving you loan, they will say ki what is the collateral that is to be kept with the bank. Some guarantee has to be there कि in case आप अगर loan pay नहीं कर पाते हो, if you are unable to pay the loan, then this has to be deposited as security, and then that would be that is where the money has to be taken from. आप मनी नहीं दे पा रहे हो, आपने अपना घर इनको एक एज अ गारंटी दिया हुआ है कि मेरे पास आई हैव गॉट अ हाउस फ्रॉम हियर, यू कैन प्रोक्योर माई लोन्स इफ आई एम अनेबल टू पे. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अ कोलैटरल. It is an asset that the borrower owns. It is an asset. ठीक है? The person who is taking the loan, he is the owner of this asset. जमा पूंजी एक it is like हमारे पास like it is the thing on which a person's future is secure. Got it? Try to understand. The borrower is owning such as there is land, building, vehicle, livestock, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could be given as guarantee. But collateral needs to be submitted to take loans. Land, building, vehicle, Livestock is the deposit with the bank or deposit with the bank. Many a times people have fixed deposits. ठीक है, 2 लाख रुपए का फिक्स डिपॉजिट कराया, अभी 1 लाख रुपए लोन चाहिए. सो आई विल से कि आई एम टेकिंग द लोन बट देन आई हैव गॉट सम कोलैटरल, आई हैव गॉट सम फिक्स डिपॉजिट्स, यू कैन आई गिव मी लोन अगेंस्ट दैट. डिपॉजिट मैं नहीं तोड़ना चाहती, आई वांट कि फ्यूचर में वो डिपॉजिट मैं कभी यूज करूं, तो दैट इज विद द बैंक एंड इट इज यूज्ड एज अ गारंटी कि आई विल बी पेइंग इन केस देयर इज some problem, as a guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid. So please you have to remember the explanation of collateral. It is an asset that the borrower is owning, like कुछ भी हो सकता है. I can be owner of a piece of land, 1 acre of land, or I am owner of a car. I have got 10 cows, livestock, गाय भेड़ बकरी ये भी है, एंड डिपॉजिट विद द बैंक कि हमारे मेरा एक अकाउंट है आपके पास और उस अकाउंट में आई हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट सम मनी, दैट इज ऑल्सो एज अ गारंटी. तो दिस गारंटी इज यूज टू द लेंडर अंटिल द लोन इज रीपेड. तो बोरोअर अगर जिसने भी लोन लिया है, इफ द बोरोअर फेल्स टू रीपे द लोन, अगर लोन नहीं रीपे कर पा रहा है, देन द लेंडर हैज टू द राइट टू सेल द एसेट और कोलैटरल टू ऑब्टेन पेमेंट. द पर्सन हु हैज टेकन द लोन, he is unable to pay the loan, repay the loan, just see it is mentioned here, he fails to repay the loan, then the lender has the right to sell the asset. फिर मेरे को पूरा राइट है, फिर the bank has got the whole right to sell that asset. प्रॉपर्टी जो है, जिस प्रॉपर्टी के अगेंस्ट लोन मिला है, that is an asset. So the bank will sell the asset or the collateral that is there and they will obtain the payment. अभी properties such as land titles deposit with the banks, land titles deposit with the banks, livestock, these are some examples of collateral. Collateral is used for borrowing. Whatever asset a person has, जो property किसी के पास भी है, उसके against में लोन मिलता है. This collateral is used for borrowing money. Collateral is very important, children. Okay. लेकिन कितनी बार क्या होता है कि everybody doesn't have a कोलैटरल. सबके पास अगर प्रॉपर्टी अगर होगी ही तो फिर लेने की क्या ज़रूरत है, फिर लोन क्यों लेना है. कितनी बार क्या होता है कि प्रॉपर कोलैटरल इज़ नॉट देयर, आपके पास उतना. अभी तो गोल्ड के अगेंस्ट में भी लोन मिलता है, यू ऑल नो दैट वेरी वेल. ठीक है, नाउ अ डेज लोन इज अवेलेबल अगेंस्ट ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑल्सो, तो उसके खिलाफ उसके अगेंस्ट भी आप लोन ले सकते हैं. नाउ Megha is there, she has taken a loan of 5 lakh from the bank. Bank says she has taken a loan of 5 lakh from the bank and she has to purchase a house. Megha, she needs to purchase a house. So the annual interest rate on the loan is, ठीक है, she has to purchase a house. तो house के लिए she is taking a loan, she has to give a 12% of the loan is to be paid in 10 years. Annual interest rate is 12%. So suppose I have taken a 10 lakh rupees का loan, तो उसमें I have to pay an interest of 12% and it has to pay in 10 years. 10 लाख का लोन लिया है, 10 years में पे करना है और उसमें 12% का interest is there. So monthly installments is to be paid. Now what happens? Megha had to submit to the bank. मेघा को ये पैसे जो है बैंक को सबमिट करने हैं. Now she has got the documents which is showing her employment records and salary before the bank agreed to give her the loan. बैंक सेड कि यू वुड बी बाइंग अ हाउस, तो आपको कुछ तो दिखाना पड़ेगा. What are you keeping with us as an asset? What is the asset that you are giving us? So, salary, before the bank agreed to give her loan, she said, I am getting a monthly salary. From that monthly salary, I would be giving the loan repayment would be done against the salary. तो सैलरी का एक सर्टिफिकेट बना के द एम्प्लॉयर वुड बी गिविंग. जिस कंपनी में मेघा इज वर्किंग, that company will make a proper salary statement and Megha would be submitting it to the bank. Bank has further got the right to inquire कि the salary that she is getting, is it real, is it correct. ऐसा तो नहीं कि गलत statement बना के दे. Many people do that. No, I am not talking about Megha, but there are people who do these kind of forgery. गलत कागज बना के और लोन ले लेते हैं. So, bank retained as collateral the papers of the new house. Now the new house papers are there and it would be returned to Megha when she repays the entire loan. Loan when she will be repaying with interest, then only she will be getting this the new house she will be getting when she is completely paying the loan. 10 लाख रुपए प्लस 12% इंटरेस्ट जब तक वो पे नहीं कर देती है तब तक शी वोंट बी गेटिंग द हाउस पेपर्स. तो अभी हाउसिंग लोन का डिटेल्स देखो. लोन अमाउंट कितना है? शी इज टेकिंग 5 लाख का लोन. ड्यूरेशन कितने साल के लिए है? 10 ईयर्स के लिए. डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्या क्या चाहिए? न्यू हाउस का पेपर्स चाहिए प्लस all the employment records, salary that she would be getting, that she has to submit to the bank, and interest rate, what would be the interest rate, mode of repayment, how she would be repaying the loan, and then the collateral that she has. Repayment कैसे कर रही है वो? Megha, how is she repaying? Yes, it would be repaid from her salary. The salary that she is getting every month, उसमें से certain amount would be given to the bank. अपने आप कट के चला जाता है. If anybody has taken a loan, it would be automatically deducted from the account of the person who has submitted. जो भी salary आ रही है उसमें से the amount would be paid to the bank. So, now try to understand what are the terms of credit. Interest rate, collateral, documentation requirement. ठीक है, interest rate is there, collateral आपका जो asset है that is there, whatever documents are required and the mode of repayment. किस तरह से पे करेंगे, how the loan would be repaid. All this is called as the terms of credit. आपको जो लोन मिल रहा है, a person who is procuring the loan, what are the different terms of credit, how the loan would be paid, क्या क्या शर्तें हैं, what are the requirements. Please remember, interest rate 12% interest देना ही है. कोलैटरल में शी इज सबमिटिंग हर हाउस इज विद द बैंक ओनली. कागज तब तक नहीं मिलते हैं टिल द लोन इज रीपेड. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड देन द मोड ऑफ रीपेमेंट. ये सारी चीजें मिला के इट इज कॉल्ड एज द टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट. तो टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट क्या है? वन क्रेडिट टू अनदर, देयर आर डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ पेमेंट ऑफ द क्रेडिट. मतलब लोन पेमेंट के लिए बहुत तरीके हैं, देर आर डिफरेंट मोड्स. तो इट डिपेंड्स. देखो, टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट एवरी टाइम इट इज नॉट द सेम. इट इज हियर इट इज मेंशन ना, दे मे वैरी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द लेंडर एंड द बोरोवर. कौन लोन दे रहा है, कौन लोन ले रहा है, डिपेंड्स. सैलरी सर्टिफिकेट द बैंक कुड नॉट आस्क फ्रॉम द फार्मर. Farmer won't be able to submit the salary certificate. तो terms of credit are different for different people. Whatever person is doing the work that a person is involved in or the job a person is involved in, ठीक है, उसके हिसाब से the terms are decided. Terms are not equal for everyone. This we need to understand. So abhi we will be discussing that how the terms of credit are varying in different cases. अलग अलग लोगों के लिए अलग अलग term of credit क्या क्या है, what are the credit arrangements that are there, we would be understanding about that. इसको समझने की कोशिश करनी है हमको. हाउसिंग लोन, यहाँ पे घर बनाया हुआ है, घर दिख रहा है, मतलब पीपल आर टेकिंग द हाउसेज, परचेजिंग द हाउस, लोन लेते हैं, देन टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस आर देयर. What are the different terms of credit? We will be discussing it in the next class. Thank you children and all the best to you.